and I am going to quickly get full upgrades on everything. Hello, Jacob here today, and today I will be showing you how to install a Subway Surfers hack on your iOS device. First of all, you want to open up Hack Market. If you don't have Hack Market already, the link to it will be in the description, the tutorial video. And so let's head into the Market section, scroll down to the Game Hacks, and open Subway Surfers hack. You want to click on Unlimited Coins and Keys, and then click Install. Wait a couple seconds, click Install again, and go to your home screen. I will fast forward through this loading process. Once the app is finished installing, open up your settings, go to General, scroll down to Profiles and Device Management, and go to the Classic Tours and Regal Wood Limousines. I'm guessing that's what it's going to say. You will click Trust, and it might not be that exact profile. You might have to flip through. This may be your only profile, but if you've installed another game hack, it may be more than one. But anyways, let's head into Subway Surfers. I'm gonna accept notifications. Subway Surfers, I'm gonna go to the shop, and I am going to quickly get full upgrades on everything. There we go. You can see how many coins and keys I have. And I want to thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.